to avail 8% income tax rate, do I need to file the BIR Form 2551Q every quarter? Ano ba yung BIR Form 2551Q? Yan yung quarterly percentage tax return. 3% po ang binabayaran dyan. Pero pag nag-avail tayo ng 8%, hindi na tayo required mag-file at magbayad ng quarterly percentage tax return. Isa yan sa mga feature ni 8%. Kasama na siya 2-in-1 income tax saka business tax. My name is George. I'm a freelancer's tax advisor at GA Consulting. What we do is we are empowering online freelancers through simple and stress-free tax compliance. What we do with our clients, nakabase kami lagi sa BIR Certificate of Registration. Most of the time naman, wala na talagang 2551Q, lalo na yung mga kaka-register pa lang at nag-avail ng 8%. Sa ganong case, hindi na kami nagfa-file ng 2551Q. Pero for our clients naman na meron pa ring 2551Q sa kanilang COR, fina-file na lang namin siya, zero filing only, ititik sa 8%, less than 5 minutes, tapos na. You are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.